Sustainability of development. The word sustainability means to maintain for a longer time. Suppose for the present that a particular country is quite developed, we would certainly like this level of development to go up further or at least be maintained for future generation. This is obviously desirable. However, since the second half of the 20th century, a number of scientists have been warning that the present type and the level of development are not sustainable. We all want development, a high level of development, but according to the scientists, they have warned that this level of developments are not sustainable. It means it cannot be sustained, it cannot be maintained for a longer period of time. We are not inherited the world from our forefathers, we have borrowed it from our children. The statement says that the resources are very limited in number. So we should have to utilize them in better way, because these resources are not we have not inherited these resources from our forefather, but we have borrowed it from our children. It means if we will use the resources in the same manner, after few years there will be no resources remain for our children. Groundwater is an example of renewable resource. These resources are replenished by the nature as in the case of crops and plants. However, even these resources may be overused. For example, in case of groundwater, if we use more than what is being replenished by the rain, then it would be overusing these resources. Groundwater is an example of renewable resource. Renewable resource means the resource which can be used again and again. But the rate of using groundwater is high as comparing to the rate of replenish of the groundwater. So if we will use the groundwater in the same pattern, in the same way, after a few years we will face the lack of groundwater, because day by day the population is rising, the use of groundwater is also rising. As a result, there is decrease in the groundwater table. Non-renewable resources are those which will get exhausted after years of use. For example, coal, petroleum. We have a fixed stock on earth which cannot be replenished. We do discover new resources that we did not know of earlier. New sources in this way add to the stock. Some stock, fixed stock of our earth, it cannot be replenished. We must have to use other sources of energy to maintain the stock. New sources in this way add to stock. However, over time, even this will get exhausted. For example, crude oil that we extract from the earth is a non-renewable resource. However, we may find a source of oil that we did not know, or earlier exploration are being undertaken all the time. Consequences of environmental degradation do not respect national or state boundary. It means the result of environmental degradation does not occur only in one country, but it cause harm to the other countries also. This issue is no longer region or national or nation specific. Our future is linked together. Sustainability of development is comparatively a new area of knowledge in which scientists, economists, philosophers and other social scientists are working together. So sustainability of the development means to maintain the development for a longer period of time is a new area of knowledge where scientists, economists, philosophers and other social scientists, they are working together, that how we can develop our countries without harming the resources. In general, the question of development or progress is perennial. Perennial means not only for a particular period of time, but the question of development, it takes place continuously. At all the times, as a member of society and as individual, we need to ask where we want to go, what we wish to become, and what our goals are. So, the debate on the development continues.